Item 20.
Item number 20.
Well, there are three matters in item number 20. My lord, the two second matters, my lord, they are different and last matter. So first of all,
They are not similar matters.
They are not similar matters because they are. Let me clarify. The first matter, as per my instruction, relates to recruitment of Sanskrit teachers. Whereas the second two matters relate to relate to Hindi teachers, recruitment of Hindi teachers. So the second two matters are identical. So let the first matter be segregated from the second matters and are separate. This is just a minute. This is my first submission. Second submission, my lord, you lordship. These our matters have been specifically fixed by your lordships as per the cause, as it reveals from the cause list to the second week of September. Now, my lord, this has appeared today in your lordship's board, and my lord, we are not informed who has mentioned it for getting our matter list.
In this case, counter and your lordship, in this case, counter and rejoinder has already been filed. Your lordship humbly prays that the matter may be posted to second week of September. The final, your lordship may decide the matter.
That matter.
Yes.
Two second matters. Last two matters. So far as last two matters are concerned, that is relating to the post of Hindi teacher. I have also filed application for intervention in both the matters. My intervention application has not yet come. Your lordship may call for my intervention application and allow the intervention application.
Highly objects.
And
by the way, there is no objection for his
petition.
How you are agreeing that matter is retagged?
No matter. I am for the staff selection commission.
Here, no, he is saying mine is Hindi, mine is Sanskrit post, teachers post. They are Hindi teachers post. In that, Mr. Swain has already moved application for interview.
That is not there in the list.
I have already filed, that has not come.
But the issue is
It is not posted.
right.
The issue is same. Issue is same.
But
Issue is same.
is mine.
Kindly.
The issue is same.
To read about it. Your matter, he will argue his matter.
The difficulty is that because of the interim order passed by this honorable court staying the entire selection process, we are being affected. So your lordship may hear this matter finally at an early date. That is my second request.
WPC, which is that to be detached.
Last matter is to be detached from the second two matters.
WPC 16242 of 2025 to be detached from
Number to the
detached from other matters, and it is to be posted along with WP number.
That is the single matter. That is the single matter.
The application, intervention application,
Well, I have given the number.
number so and so.
Well, that is IA number 14265 of 2025 in the first matter.
142.
With copy may be sought.
No, one second.
One more, sir.
We will file a
14265 of 2025 in the first matter. That is Firoz Kumar Mahapatra's matter. And second matter is I have given the number. I have filed in Rakesh Kumar Barik case. I have also filed intervention applications. In my slip, I have given the notes.
Yes, for this matter, second week of September. Then the other matters to be
Interim order to continue.
interim order to continue till next week. In WP is that next week. All these matters on the WP 16242 of 2025 is posted. Same day it will.
Yes.
So that these matters will appear on the same day,
Yes.
but separately.
but separately.
Yes.
Post intervention application in IA number
That I have given. In the second matter, I have given in a slip.
Along with you. Second.
Lord, in the first
Your
sub-item,
Lordship, your Lordship allowed that IA.
Not allowing it is to be posted.
in the first sub-item, WPC number 16242/25. I have filed an IA, my lord, that is
All
one.
IAs to be posted along with you.
Lord, that is for intervention, my lord.
That's what.
And
It has to come before the court. It is not posted to.
No, that is no. It is already
Let us see,
there.
there is one more application, na?
Then a copy may be directed to be short.
Give copy.
Digital is incomplete.
Wherever is that to continue till next day. Item 21? Again.
My lords, small claimants, in item 20, my lords, two more IAs for intervention are issued to me.
Application to be.
14262 of 2020.